Here at Swedish Medical Center, we are a level 1 trauma center. We're actually not the primary hospital that would be receiving patients, but because of our level 1 designation and our proximity to the shooting, we are receiving several patients at this time. We have currently received 3 patients to our emergency department. They are all listed with gunshot wounds, and they are all listed in condition. And we have put our external disaster plan into effect as of about 1:15 a.m., and we are prepared for up to 20 more patients to be inbound at this time.
And we are hearing that this happened at a cinema, at a movie theatre, and that there may be as many as 10 people dead, as well as the perhaps 30 to 40 injured. Can you confirm any of that?
We can't confirm any fatalities at this time. Essentially, we have not been in communication with police on the scene. The way it works for us to initiate our disaster plans is that the emergency medical responders will call out to hospitals and ask for us to give them information about our available beds and how many patients we can take, how many critical, how many stable, et cetera, and walking wounded, and we give them those numbers based on the number of beds we have available. So really the only information we have at this time are regarding the patients that are inbound to our hospital. Just like the rest of Colorado, we're anxiously awaiting updates to see what actually happened at the scene.